Hello civil engineers, welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we'll try to find the plastering quantity for the vertical wall. Okay. So quickly tell me which all walls we are supposed to take care of. One is this wall, if you're able to see it. Okay. Then this also falls under my vertical wall. Okay. Then this complete thing is my vertical wall. Then again, this is a vertical wall. Okay. All this plastering quantity we are supposed to find. Okay. Then there's one more wall coming here. Then we have one wall coming here. Then this wall under the vertical, this also comes under the vertical part. This also, okay. Anyhow, this is taken care of. Okay. Because this was taken care of in the vertical, then not required. Fine. So after that, again, this will come in the vertical internal. This will come in the vertical internal. Okay. I think only two. Rest we don't have any vertical walls here. So here all the walls I have taken care of. Okay. This will come in the external part, and the external wall only we have taken care of this portion, then it's not required to be added again in the internal wall. Okay, great. Now already I've done it here, so quickly I'll explain you and just concentrate on this drawing. Okay, yeah, so first is 1.07. See, this is 1.07 and this 1 point, okay, yeah, this is 1.07. Here you will do the plastering, isn't it? And also here also it is 1.07. So two terms I've written. After that, come to this portion. See, again, in this portion I've taken from here to here. See, now you may think, sir, your plastering will happen only up to here, isn't it? Then why did you take one complete 1.83 meter? See, this 1.83 because door is coming. Just imagine how your building will look. For example, my floor to floor height is this portion. Okay, I'll draw on floor to floor height. So if I draw it here, I'll draw it somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. I'll draw it here. Okay. So let us consider this is my floor to floor height. Which one? This is my floor to floor height. Okay. From this ground floor to the first floor height. Okay. So your whatever door frame you're putting, your door frame will be something like this. Your door frame will be something this much height only, your door will come. Okay. The remaining portion, whatever we have, I'll draw the remaining portion. That is this portion. This portion we'll be doing the brickwork and the plastering will come. Similarly, this portion also will be doing the brickwork and the plastering will come. Okay. So why I took, when you take the measurement for the plastering, this complete length I took. That means this complete length I took. If I take only up to this length, yeah. If I take, if I take complete, if I take only up to this length, this length, that means I'm just considering this length. And if I multiply with the height, only this plastering area I'll be finding. Whereas this plastering area will be missing. So what we do, we'll completely find the area of this. In this complete area, if I deduct the door part, I'll get the total plastering area. You're getting my point? So that is why what we do. So that is why what we do is we completely consider this complete length I'll take now. Okay. Later in this complete length, if I deduct the door part, I'll get the plastering on this wall. I'll get the plastering on this wall also. Along with that, here door is come. Your door is coming. Your door will come only up to 2.1 meter height. Beyond that also plastering should happen. No, that will be taken care only when we take the complete 1.83 meter length. Okay. Okay. So this will be your 1.83. If you take only up to this portion, only this height will be taken care of. This height will be missing out. Okay. So that is why always remember, you take the complete thing. So I'll be taking this complete from here to here. This complete I'll take. Okay. So while taking also, you should make sure that this is 1.83. Okay. So that is why I written 1.83. And here also it is 1.83 only. But this wall is interfering. So whatever is the thickness of this wall, I'll deduct it. So again, I've written 1.83 minus 0.11. Though this thickness what I have, no, it is obstructing, no, because you have a brickwork. There the plastering won't happen. Okay, it's going in this way. So that minus 0.11, I have done it here. Got it? Fine. So after that, you come here. Yeah, after that, see, again, same here also. Okay, again, door is coming. So I'll take, you cannot take plastering up to here. You have to take complete length. Then you deduct the door part from that so that you get the total plastering. Again, it is 3.58. I've written 3.58. This is on left side. Inside also you'll do the plastering. Inside also it is 3.58. But inside it will be starting from this part, isn't it? Inside It is from this part to this part I need to take. So instead of writing 3.35, what I'll do, I'll write 3.58 only, minus this wall thickness I'll do 0.23. You do it manually, then also you'll get same answer. That is 3.35 minus 0.23 you do. Okay. Then also you'll get how much? Sorry, 3.58. I'll do it here. So this is 3.58. 3.58 minus 0.23 you do. You should get 3.35. Very simple. Yeah, 8 minus 3 will be 5 and it will be 3.35. And what you got, inner to inner dimension, it is also 3.35. Either you can input directly 3.35 or you take 3.58 completely on one side, 3.58 completely on the other side. So 2 times I've written. Now you deduct 0.23. You deducted this 0.23, then also you get the same answer. Okay. Otherwise, you don't have to deduct. What you can do is, if it's finding it so confusing, add 3.58 of one side, and this side it is how much? This side it is only 3.35. So directly you write 3.35. That is also okay. Up to you. Fine. Okay. Then after that, 1.74. So which is this 1.74? After that, it is 1. Yeah. After that, it is 1.74. This portion. Okay. So this portion, previously we calculated this horizontal up to this length only, no? So I took 1.74 on this side, and here also it will be 1.74. So 1.74 plus 1.74, and this thickness, whatever you have, no? Because here only up to here. See, previously for horizontal I took up to here only. That's it. Okay. Now vertical I'm taking this part. This is my vertical. Okay. So in the vertical, outside, so it will go completely 1.74. But when I do the inside plastering, in inside, this much portion will not do plastering. Plastering will start from here to here. So this 1.74 minus, if I deduct this wall thickness, I'll get this inside length. So that is why 1.74 plus 1.74. Okay. And I think I need to minus that. Okay, that wasn't done. So minus 0. This wall thickness is 0.11. Okay, minus 0.11. Got it? Fine. After that, after that, after that, see, this portion I left, I didn't add. I'll do it later. Okay. In the Excel sheet, I think I didn't add it only. I'll add it later. Next, you come here. Next, another vertical is this portion. Which one? This is 1.75. From here to here, it is 1.75. I've written 1.75. Then here also it is 1.75 minus this is 0.11. So 1.75 plus 1.75 minus 0.1. This is 0.11. Okay. You can see minus 0.11. Or if you do 1.75 minus 0.11, you'll get how much? 1.64. Directly you can mention 1.64 also. Or you do 1.75 minus 0.1. This also will give you 1.64. Up to you. Now again, this is 2.82. This complete length is 2.82. So this side also will do the plastering. This side also will do the plastering. So again, 2.82 plus 2.82, 2 times I've written. Okay. Opening and all will deduct it later. After that, come to this part. So again, in this part, what will happen? This is 2.90. So this is 2.90 on this side. That is this complete length. Okay. This complete length is 2.90. Now you may have a doubt. This is 3. Okay. Wait. Not that. Sorry. I should take up to this. No, I'll tell you. See, when I calculated the horizontal part, I told you that I'll take this completely up to here. Till where? I think, yeah, up to this only we had taken horizontal, right? Up to this only I had taken, correct. Now for the vertical part, I have this much area left. This length I need to take care of in vertical. Okay. So this length I'll measure. Let me check this dimension. Yeah. So from here to here, this length. Yeah, it is 3.12. So I should write 3.12. I made a mistake then. I'll make this as 3.12. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 3.12. Correct. So you got it. This is 3.12. Okay. 3 point. Now in this 3.12, this is also included. Even though it's a column offset, here brickwork is coming. But this portion, you'll do the plastering. No, this portion is included in 3.12 only. Okay, fine. Now on this side, what will happen? It is 2.90. Otherwise, 3.12 minus this 0.23 will give you 2.90. That also you can do. Else you can directly take 2.90. I'll directly take plus 2.90. Okay, fine. Plus, now this is not required. Okay, anyhow, yeah, okay, this is done. Fine, this portion is already added. This portion is already added in the external wall, so you don't have to consider this. Okay, so this portion I'll deduct. All these things extra I had written, I'll take it out. Okay, 3.12, I'll take it out. Yeah. Okay, this much is understood. So I think here everything we have completed. Only one portion which is left out. That was this portion. See, this is 5.32. This side also 5.32. This side also 5.32. I didn't add it. I'll add it here only. Okay. So plus 5.32 plus 5.32. Got it? So this was 5.32 on this side, 5.32 on this side. So ground floor, everything we have done. Nothing is left out. Now come to the first floor. First floor, hardly we have anything. First floor, what we have? One is this one, which is 1.86. Again, this one, if you remember, horizontal we had taken only up to this length, isn't it? Now for vertical, I'll take this part. So it is 1.86 from my diagram. It is 1.86. So I written 1.86 plus 1.86 this side and inside both. But here from inside, when I do this much portion, I won't do. It is 0.11. So minus 0.11. Okay. Other than that, which all is left out? Again, this last one portion is left out. That is this portion. Here we'll do another internal wall. Okay. This is that portion. Which is that portion? Only this much. This you have to remember. Okay. One mistake I did. Because if you remember, horizontally, we had taken complete length, no? Horizontal, if you remember, we had taken complete length. So in that case, this 3.16 will not work out. Okay. Anyhow, I'll let me verify that. See, sometimes you need to double verify the answers. That's it. Okay. So if you remember, yeah, yeah. Previously, if you remember, we had taken this length only up to 4.23. Else, I need to go and check it now. So check in the sense it has to be checked in the horizontal portion. No, right now we are doing vertical. So let me try to do that once. I'll hit the enter button to this. In the horizontal part, I'll go internal plastering horizontal wall. There you just need to check whether you had taken 4.23 or something else. So 4.19 we had taken. Let me check the dimension. So one thing is you need to be careful. That's it. Okay. Uh, So it was 4.34. Yeah, exactly. See now, I got. How did I understand? See, I have written no 4.34 plus 4.34. I have written. So that means horizontally when I calculated up to this length. This I had calculated. That means for vertical, I should take only up to this length. Agree with me? Only this much I should take for vertical wall now. Okay. So if that is the case, tell me what should be your dimension. So dimension should be from here to only this portion. So it is 3.05. So in that case, come to the external plastering wall here. Here already I've written. Yeah, it should be this one. Yeah, okay. So this I'll take it out. So it is 3.05. Okay, 3.05. This is 3.05, and this also is 3.05 because in internal also you'll start from here. External, yeah, yeah, external also you'll do from up to here. No, external will go completely. No, yeah. I see another one thing we did wrong because if you understand, even though we took up to here horizontal plastering, but my vertical plastering will start from here. No, my vertical plastering will start from this end only. So in that case, I need to take completely. Then it will be taken completely only. Sorry for that. It will be that is 3.16. Okay. So right here 3.16, not 3.05, 3.16 plus inside also it is 3.16. Inside also it is 3.16. Provided this wall thickness you need to deduct. So this wall thickness what we have is only 0.11. Okay. This wall thickness is 0.11. So minus 0.11. Got it? Understood, no? This complete only it will come. Hmm. Even though you're taken outside, this plastering will come completely only. Okay. So 3.16 plus 3.16 minus 0.11. Got it? Everything we have taken care of. There's nothing left. Just go through the drawing. All the vertical walls we have taken. Okay. Fine. So if that is the case, then close the bracket. I mean, hit the enter button. Done. So the total internal plastering will be 51.500 running meter. Now thickness is again 12 mm. So this height already I explained you, 3.2 minus 0.15 we are supposed to do. Okay, ceiling height. So that's it. So now you want the total area of plastering. Running meter 51.500 multiplied by 3.05 will give me the total plastering area. Okay. Now come to the deduction part. So deduction, what you're supposed to do? Again, go back to the drawing. Wherever you have taken the external wall, check how many these things are there. Okay, check how many doors are there. Here I have written D1, there is only one. So D1 in this is D1. Okay, only one D1 is there, written one. PD is puja door. So puja door, this part. Okay, this is your puja door part. This was a very small quantity we should have taken in vertical. We didn't take that. Okay, I'll add that also. So here we are taken up to this portion, horizontal, isn't it? So for puja door, then this small portion will come. Here brickwork will come, plastering will come. Here also plastering will come. Same thing, here also plastering will come. Here also plastering will come, vertical. Okay, that you add, and in that you remove the puja door size. Okay, that is one thing you can do. Else you don't have to calculate this. Okay, even if you leave also it's okay, because it's a very small quantity. You don't have to, again in puja door and all, no, above lintel, there won't be lintel completely. See, in puja door what will happen, complete puja door we put in house. If this is your height, no, if this is height, no, in the puja door what we do, from here till this level, sometimes we give complete. Otherwise few people do only up to this height only, that is your 2.1 meter height only they do. If that is the case, then you need to take care of this. If you want, I'll do that also. I missed that, but I'll do it. It's very small quantity. Quickly we'll try to measure that distance. Okay, this vertical I want, and this also I want. Okay, anyhow, we'll not do in that way. We'll take it completely. Yeah. So you have to take completely. Okay. From here to here, you take 1.64, and inside also it will be 1.64. Otherwise, you can take in this way also. You take 1.64 inside also, and then you can deduct this small part. Okay. That also can be done. So what I'll do, I need to go back here. You're getting my point, no? Plus 1.64. Okay. Which one? The puja door part. This plastering I'm adding completely 1.64. Here also it is 1.64 plus 1.64. But here what will happen? It will be a plastering will start from this portion. So this much portion into deduct. So it is 0.11. So minus 0.11 I'll do. Got it, no? And now I'll hit the enter button. So total running means 54.640. So now I have written puja door. Your puja door is 1.2 meter length and height is 2.1 meter. Only one is there. So even that also deduction I'm taking care of. Okay, fine. Next is door. Next, again, after that, I have written door. Two doors are there. Where are two doors are there? So one is here, one door is here, and then another door, another D is, yeah, it should be in first floor. Yeah, another door is here. Okay, two are done. So I written two doors here. Next, opening. Opening, O I have written one time. So that means in vertical, one opening is there. So that should be this one. See, here one opening is there. Okay. So opening I've written, one I've written. Okay. And next D1 is there. Only one D1 is there. So one D1 is this one. This is one D1. Okay. Vertical wall. So D1 is one. Again, you have any D1? No, we don't have any D1. Okay. Here there is another D1. No. So it is two then. Okay. Two it should be. Why? See, one D1 is here in vertical. One D1 will come here. This is D1. Other than that, we don't have any D1. In first floor again, this is also vertical. So this is D1. So two D1 will come. Got it? Fine. So once you understand that, everything is done. Now you measure this. 0.75 you write here. 2.1, 1.2 into 2.1. This is all area. Final area you find here. How do you find? 0.75 into 2.1. 1.2 into 2.1. 0.9 into 2.1. 2.1. 0.9 into 2.1. 0.75 into 2.1. So this will give me the area of openings. Okay, now you check all the area of opening, whether it is greater than 0.5, 1, so all are greater than 0.5, and it is less than 3, exactly. That means what you need to do, you need to do the deduction only once. Why? Because it's an internal plastering, you know the code. So it's written here. Deduction for the openings exceeding 0.1, 0.5 meter square, but not exceeding 3 square meter. When both faces of walls are plastered with the same plaster, its internal plastering both are same. So deduction shall be made for only one face only. So then what I'll do, I'll multiply this. That is 1.57 is my complete area. Multiply by 1 I'll do. Okay. And then you drag everything. You got it, no? See, now again, it's a very same thing. Why it's the same thing? For example, if I consider this door, when I do this plastering, then also this door deduction I'll do on this side. If I consider plastering on the outside, then also I'll do the deduction. That means this door I need to consider 2 times, but here I will consider only 1 time. That means only one time I'm doing the deduction. That is 100% deduction I'm doing. Okay, only one I have written. In the D part, only one I have written. Got it? So that is why you don't have to consider this part. Whatever answer you get, no, you just multiply this by number, you'll get the total area of openings. So total deduction, again, total deduction, not windows. We write total deduction. That's it. Okay, fine. So this is not window deduction. You should write deduction. Okay, because deduction includes everything. It's not only window. Here also you can change it. Deduction will not be only window. It is overall deduction. Here also you change it, right? Deduction. It's understood. Deduction includes window and all. Windows, then door and all. Okay. Fine. Got it? So total 16.695. So now total area after deduction will be area without the deduction, that is 315 minus 16.695, which will give me 299.285 square meter. Okay. Now coming to the volume, it's a 12 inch. It's a 12 mm, not inch, 12 mm thickness. So fine. So total area multiplied by the thickness will give me 3.591 cubic meter of a, sorry, I went there. Sorry, here, this one. Okay. Not that. Internal plastering vertical wall. Sorry. Yeah. So total it will be how much? After deduction, 166.7435 minus 12.915. So this will give me 153 square meter of the plastering to be done after the deduction. And volume will be 153 multiplied by 0.012, which will give me 1.846 cubic meter of a plastering has to happen. Got it? Everything is clear. Now I'll explain you a few more things. Now, whatever we understood, that was from 0.5 to 0.3 square meter. Now, if your area of opening was greater than 3 square meter, in case of opening of area above 3 square meter, for example, let us consider, I got 2.520 here, no? Let us consider if this was, I'll write here directly, I'll write 3.5. Okay, what I wrote 3.5 here. I wrote 3.5 here. So now understand. So when, in case of opening of area above 3 square meter, deduction shall be made for opening on each face. It means that if your area is more than that, more than 3, so here I'm getting 3.5. So in that case, what you need to do, this is especially for the puja room I've taken, no? So when I go to the puja room, I need to consider 2 times. That is, puja door, actually one door on this side, another on this side. So 2 times I need to consider. So in that case, what I'll do, puja door, I'll write 2 here. Okay, I'll write 2 here. Got it? And now this will be how much? This will be 3.5 into 2 I am going to do. Because one side opening area is 3.5. So both the side I need to consider. That is what you mean by this particular point. That is, in case of opening of area above 3 square meter, each deduction shall be made on opening. On both the side you have to do the deduction. If it is less than, if it is in between 0.5 to 3, in that case you consider puja room is only one puja door is there. Okay. Got it? That means one door, in the sense, in one door only one opening we are considering. If there was 2 puja door, for example, I'll explain you one more thing. For example, consider this opening. For this O1 and for this O1 opening, there are O1, O1, 2 opening are there. Okay. But when I do the plastering inside, I'll count this one time. Okay. For example, see here. If this area I'm supposed to calculate, okay. So let us say this opening area I got greater than 3 square meter, which is 3.5 square meter. In that case, opening how much is there? 1 and 2. Actually, opening 2 is there. But when I calculate on this side, this is one opening. When I calculate on this side, another opening 2 is done. Here, another opening 3. Here, another 4. So in that case, I'll write 4 here in the opening part. Okay. O1, it's not there. Okay. O1, I'll be writing 4 times. Okay. Got it, no? So that is how it is. So anyhow, in our this thing, what is that quantity estimation, we did not get that. Okay, most of our opening was falling in between 0.5 to 3. So whatever we did is correct. Okay, now for example, If your opening was less than 0.5, then you don't have to do any deduction. Okay, it's written here. See, no deduction shall be made for the end of joist, beam, post, etc. and opening not exceeding 0.5 square meter. So this already I explained in one of the case. For example, if instead of 1.575, let us consider if it was 0.2. In that case, no opening. No opening means you just multiply, you just take it as zero value. No opening. Zero means you're not deducting. That means whatever area this deduction D1, I'll consider it to be nil. No deduction will be done because this 0.2 is less than 0.5. So no deduction will happen. Okay. Then you see the changes. It is 12.32. If I add the deduction, this will again say 12.520. It will come. Got it? So that is how you are supposed to take care of the deduction part. Everything I've explained you. Okay. I hope you have understood this. In future also I'll add one more lecture specifically for this portion so that all your doubts get solved. Okay, great. So we'll change the value. This is not the value which I wanted. Yeah, okay. This was deduction. No? Now it's fine. So you do the calculations on your own. You should get answer somewhere close to 12.915. Even if you get some 11 and a half also, it's okay. Even if you get 13 also, it's okay. Okay, because slight variation may happen in my estimation and your estimation. That is why we call it as estimation. We are not doing anything accurate here. It's an estimate we are doing. So you should come very close to this point. That's it. Yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. And we have completely taken care of the plastering part in the ground floor in the first floor for the entire building. In the next lecture, we'll see how the painting work has to be taken care of, and then we'll go one by one. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.